what I'm saying.
Chef, today, man, wanted the boy, the people, I'm talking about in the kitchen, in the street, up right now, you know.
Yo, me tell you something, you turn up, Mr. The other day, we're going to Golden Cross the other day, and big shout out to Mr. Hart and listen, man. We're going to Golden Cross, and the lady looked at me, she said, wait, are you the chef from in the kitchen?
Yeah.
She said the other day, me trying to learn something from when we see you cooking, and she said she can't wait for the next episode.
Real, man. So you don't know, so the new thing I got mad.
Yeah, that got mad.
So what going on at night,
yo, right now we're over by Lucille side of the things. And you know, so we have to change it up sometimes.
Yeah, man.
We're not going to always be in the kitchen.
Real
but tonight, we have Kool and the gang and perform tonight at the kitchen. This is the line outside.
Wanna see it?
The line outside. Amazing.
Yeah.
And you know me, I cook tonight, I change up the game totally. We're down at the Indian cuisine. We're chicken masala.
Wow.
What I know about that? So you want to keep it locked and you want to check this out. Cause chicken masala, that's how we're doing tonight. Kool and the gang.
Real, man.
In the kitchen. Right now, we have a pot over here, nice and hot. Everything looking real good. So I'm gonna go for my olive oil. I'm gonna go with my pepper, green bell pepper. My red bell pepper, and I'm gonna go with my onion. Nice, because you don't know what we do already. And I'm gonna go with my fresh garlic. I'm gonna put this bad boy to saute down real good. I have my chicken already pre-fried. Flavor is there. Get out all the flavor. Simple, that's what I'm talking about. I like that little pump. I'm gonna go with a little bit of whole base season. Right, nice. A little bit of pepper. A little bit more pepper. Simple. Keep them simple and clean. Because tonight you don't know how we do it already. In the kitchen, we always want to do something different. So we want that to saute up looking real good. Alright, simple. Then I'm going to go with some parsley. Some parsley leaf inside. Real good. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna serve this over some jasmine rice. Alright, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit more olive oil. Alright, turn up my fire a little bit. That's what I want to see. Get everything sauteed up, looking real good, looking real pretty. I'm gonna go with my wine. Alright, beautiful. Get that flavor up. Flavor looking pretty. You can smell that aroma coming out of your wine right now. And then I'm gonna go with my gravy that I already have pre-made. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. What they know about that. My chicken masala right there. Let that bad boy cook up. I have my chicken already pre-fried and everything looking real good. Everything looking real good. A little bit of water so I can have that nice gravy body to it. And I'm gonna put my chicken inside. Beautiful. And let my chicken stay there and smother down and get real nice and soft. Chicken masala can be done in many different ways because sometimes the people them do it and you'll have it where it's boneless. It's a nice boneless chicken breast. But we'll change up the game a little bit. Nice, I'm serving this right now with some jasmine rice and some sauteed spinach. Simple, nice, looking real good. And here you have your nice chicken. I'm actually gonna put like 3 pieces. I'm gonna put 3 pieces of chicken. Looking real sexy, look at that, look at that. And then I'm gonna go draw for the sauce now. And look at this. Nothing pretty like that. I don't know nothing about that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This this is how we do it. It's another episode of In the Kitchen. And you see a while ago what I just made a while ago, that chicken masala. And tonight, Kool and the gang is gonna tear it down tonight. So we do it. Inside BB King, CIN, come chat with me. In the Kitchen.
Tonight, inside of BB King, what can the fans expect tonight? Because they're out there waiting and there's a line already and must get you. Anything.
You know, when you see a Kool and the Gang show, we come to play. And we like to enjoy it. And we like to come out to enjoy the show.
By standing on the wall, so get your back up off the wall. 'Cause I heard all the people singing.
I'm in love and I won't lie. She's my girl and always on my mind. She gives me her love in a really nice ride. She never lets me down, especially at night. So I'm gonna do the best I can.
Over 50 years, you have been in the business. What has the journey been?
Well, it's been a great journey, you know. We started as youngsters,
Yeah.
14 years old.
Oh, 14?
Yeah, still in grammar school, down at college to high school. Yeah.
Nice, man.
But it's been a great journey. It's been ones of hills and valleys. You know how this business.
Yeah.
We got our first hit record in 19... well, first record came out in 1969 called Kool and the Gang.
Yeah.
And that was our introduction to the business.
Okay.
And then we had another nice run around 1974. Hollywood Swinger, Jungle Boogie.
All of that hits.
Summer Back.
Yeah.
Sesame.
Nice.
Let's celebrate.